ever see it last week?
No, he didn't.
After a secret meeting in Washington, Lamont DuPont, grandson of the company founder, was sent on a mission to London to corner the market ostensibly for his own company, but in fact for the government. He secured enough of the raw material to provide for most U.S. needs for the rest of the war. Plans for its own needs. DuPont undertook the largest wartime engineering feat in U.S. history up to that point and constructed a plant at Old Hickory, Tennessee, capable of producing 900,000 pounds of powder per day.
I've been so quite a while and I would like to state the life is wonderful. The Army food is great. I sleep with 97 others in a wooden hut. I love them all, they all love me. It's very lovely, but oh, how I hate to get up in the morning. Oh, how I love to remain in bed. For the hardest blow of all is to hear the bugle call. You gotta get up, you gotta get up, you gotta get up in the morning. Someday I'm going to murder the bugler. Someday they're going to find him dead. I'll educate his reveille and step upon it heavily and spend the rest of my life in bed.
In World War II scaled up. During the war, DuPont manufactured more than 4.5 billion pounds of explosives, 20% more than the entire volume of explosive used by all the Allies in World War I. Yet explosives accounted for less than 25% of the total output of DuPont during the war. Neoprene, nylon, cellophane, dyestuffs, paints, and plastics made up the majority. It was recognized as a superior gunpowder and blasting powder, the primary tool in clearing stumps from farmland, digging canals, and building roads. It was a necessity to build a growing nation. In good times and bad.